Hey dears, in the series of structured query language, in this video we are going to discuss about the different commands of structured query. First, let's start our workbench, what we have already installed in last video. So here is my SQL workbench. So just click it there. You can find here such interface, and we have one like SQL connections here. You can create, you can add here some more if you want to make some more other like these types of connection, then of course you can work. So here we have already as root, and I'm going to write here password what we have said the last time. Okay, so here is after opening, you can find here or create this this code last time we used. Okay, so here we can see here. So as last video we have discussed about this create database. Now here we have database, or you can just type this code and run with this. Okay, so here the third one you can find here execute. Just if you click it here, or already here created, you can find here. Or if you want to delete this, okay, so here you can just click it here. Drop command is used to delete. Okay, so here just click it drop and run, execute this, and you can find, see here it's gone. Refresh, if you do the refresh here in navigator pane, you do not find here, but we need here like a code. So just I'm going to create here. So after create here, again click it here, you can find here is a so here drop database code is green, this also green, means it is executable, it is working. Okay, so and here if you do the refresh, here is the first the navigation pane, and you can find here SPT code is a database. Now here in this database also we can work some other like here like drop, alter. You can do the alter also, you can rename as well as. So let's here if you want to alter it. Okay, so alter, you can find here alter. I told you it is not case sensitive whether you write all capital or all small, it doesn't make any difference. So here alter database, I'm going to use here database, and here I'm going to change here alter means mode. Suppose mode like read only equals to true, means one is as true symbols. If you do here now then just run it. Okay, so now you can see here it is read mode. So it is read mode means you cannot do here. Now after do, if you want to here drop. Okay, so let's okay, so let's I'm going to cut it, and here suppose if you try to drop it also you cannot do. Okay, so let's drop database, and here SPTcode. Suppose if you want to run this code, you can find the error. See here is a you cannot, because here schema SPTcode is read only mode, so it is in read only mode, you cannot drop, you cannot delete it. So again what you should do, again you should change the alter. Okay, so here in the place of this one you can write here 0. If you write equal to 0 read only, and here if you use as 0 okay, so here as 0 and run it, you can. Now after this is not one it's means alter is change its positions, it's a mode. So here again you can, if you'll just say the drop. Okay, drop database. Okay, so database and then database name, and here just run it. Now here see here it's a gone, it's a deleted. Okay, in this way we can work. So this is the database, about the different codes. So let's in next video we are going to talk about the different commands, about the tables, related tables, like how to create, modify, rename, min select, that all we will talk in next video. So I'm doing this hard work, so please if you are new, subscribe it. Subscriber is required. Ask your friends to subscribe it, share it, and if there is any queries or some suggestion, then please comment me. Thank you, see you in next video.